it going? So we are back today with another episode of What I Eat in a Week. So it's been quite some time since I've done a What I Eat in a Week episode, but I am back. Obviously, you guys can tell I have put on a little bit of weight. I'm a little bit thicker than usual, but other than that, gaining the weight, I kind of feel like I still look the same since all my clothes fit. I am like a little bit thicker. You guys are gonna see because I'm gonna put some side shots for you guys. But I'm starting off this What I Eat in a Week fresh and clean. I'm still doing 1,500 calorie diet, guys. So it's gonna be the same thing. I use MyFitnessPal, not sponsored, to just track all the calories for the day. So far it's so good. I just need to stay on track. I think traveling always messes me up just because I'm enjoying myself, I'm drinking, I'm having a good time, and I mean, you can't blame me. You gotta live your life, you feel me? So I do get carried away in the summertime, but I snap right back into position during the fall. So that's the snapback time is right now. So yeah, but I do have a trip coming up, guys. That's a 14-day trip. So that trip, I'm definitely going to have to keep it solid, but I'm going somewhere that doesn't have processed food. Everything's natural and fresh, and not no MSG and stuff like that. So I should be safe out there and just kind of monitor how much I eat and still have a good time. So I don't leave till October, so I got enough time to give you guys some really good weekly episodes of What I Eat in a Week. Hopefully you guys enjoy this one. Let's get back on track because I know I've been falling apart. I've been messing up, guys. So I'm back, and like I said, we're doing 1,500 calories. If I go over maybe like 10 or 30 calories or even 100 calories, it's not a big deal. It's not the end of the world. I'm gonna try to add in workouts with this so that it's just more, I'm getting better results. I'm not looking for fast results. I'm looking for, a good results that are long lasting. So yeah, guys, so let's jump into the episode of What I Eat in a Week. Alright guys, so this is the meal. I measured 1 cup of rice out. I have a chicken thigh and then a leg, and I drizzle some sauce on top. So I feel like as long as the carb is measured, because y'all know, that type of rice, when your Haitian mother makes this rice, you gotta have it, and you can go back often, and I just don't want to do that, so measuring it out, and here you go, baby. First meal of the day. I'm actually really, really hungry now. Like, I have a whole headache. Alright guys, it's way late in the day that I'm eating my first meal. I did have coffee today. I should have had a Nature's Bakery bar, which I think I might have now because the food might take a little bit longer than I would like. So I'm only gonna have 2 meals today, basically because I just don't have the time. I have a video to edit that's going up tonight, so I need to get to it. So I have some shrimp right now, some Argentinian shrimp. They like little baby pieces. Nothing much. I do have some green beans as well. So I'm gonna have this. I am making rice in the rice cooker, but I don't plan on eating all the rice, so I'm gonna save the rice in the rice cooker and just make a quick little shrimp and green bean mix or whatever real quick, and have some white rice with it for dinner tonight. I know I'm gonna have asparagus, so it's gonna be like a lot of veggies today. It is what it is. Tonight I'm gonna have asparagus with salmon, maybe, or I might have something else. But I don't know about dinners tonight. I just know for now, I'm about to make me a quick little shrimp meal. And this will be my first real meal. I'm going to have a Nature's Bakery bar right now because this is going to take a while. And I'm going to just reheat up my coffee. So that'll be my first meal, the Nature's Bakery bar and a coffee. And then I'm going to quickly cook this. I have some fresh garlic, the green beans. I'm going to put the green beans in first and let them cook on low. And then add the shrimp in after. So, let's go. Alright guys, so here goes my 1 cup of cooked white rice with the green beans and the shrimp. Looks good. I did use some soy sauce, kept it real simple. And yeah, this is my first meal. I had the Nature's Baker bar and it was good. I had that maybe like 2 hours ago and it filled me up for a little bit and I was still doing some work. So now I'm going to dive into this. I don't know what I'm eating for dinner. I still have to figure that out, but I won't probably eat dinner until like 9:30, so I got some time. So here goes our shrimp and green beans with. Alright guys, so I'm making myself a quick dinner. It's just gonna be a breaded chicken buffalo sandwich on Trader Joe's 100 calorie whole wheat bun, poppy seed bun, or sesame seed bun. So I have one piece of the chicken. The chicken is basically what a serving is 200 calories or 3 ounces. You could actually measure it out on the scale. Put it on the scale. Should be about 3 ounces. So all I'm gonna do is just toss a little bit of buffalo sauce or buffalo. Let me show you guys. I use this hot sauce that I got from hot sauce seasoning that I got from Aldi's, and I'll probably add something else to it. I'm going to pop it in the air fryer for a few minutes, put a piece of cheese on it, have some pickles, a little bit of dressed like a mayo, and I guess that's going to be it because I don't have any lettuce. I have some slaw. I'll put some coleslaw on it, like a little slaw I can make. I have like a slaw mix, and I'll have that with some of my 40% less fat Cape Cod chips for dinner, and that's going to be dinner. So I'm going to quickly make this one. I've done it before on my channel, so I'm going to quickly pop this in the air fryer, and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so here's a piece of chicken. I have the buffalo seasoning and everything on it. I'm going to let it get real crispy. I'm about to go ahead and start making, I think this, I'm just going to put some mayo on the slaw and just keep it real simple. And yeah, so I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to use a little pickle juice and some mayo and mix the sauce. Alright guys, so I have this from Trader Joe's. So I'm just going to use a little bit of this one, some pickle juice, and a little bit of the mayo, the light mayo. And I'm just going to mix it together to make kind of like a little dressing for the sandwich. I'm going to quickly mix that together and I'll show you guys what it is. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. It actually tastes pretty good. It's like kale, cabbage, red cabbage, green cabbage, a little mix. So I wanted to make kind of like a little slaw or a little lettuce. So this would actually taste pretty good. The pickle juice kind of set it off. I'm just going to add like a little seasoning, salt and pepper. Not even salt, just a little pepper to it. And then on the sandwich, I'm going to add a little bit of, I don't have any feta cheese. So on the sandwich, I'm going to add like a half a slice of American cheese on it. And that's going to be that for the, or do I want cheese? I'll think. Alright guys, instead of putting cheese on the sandwich, I decided to go ahead and grab some Parmesan cheese and just mix a little bit of the Parmesan cheese in here. I'm not even focused. So I decided to go ahead and mix some Parmesan cheese in here instead of putting cheese on the sandwich. This Parmesan cheese, calorie-wise, 1 teaspoon. Can it focus? Yeah, so there is a serving for this one. It's pretty, not bad, 25 calories. So I went ahead and sprinkled some on here. I'm just going to go ahead and mix this together to give it kind of like a cheesy slaw, cheesy mayo-y vibe instead of using cheese. The cheese in the fridge is a little bit high in calories, so I don't even want to waste my time using that.
Just pulled up to the house.
Forgot to show you guys what I'm having for dinner, so I'm actually having it in bed tonight. It's just because I'm tired. I'm having a burrito. I didn't get chips or anything on the side, just the burrito. The sauce, the hot sauce is too spicy. I can't even bear it. It's just chicken, rice, beans, avocado, and that's it. And that's it. For dinner, it's a burrito. I'll probably eat this and then a little bit of that. If I eat whole half, I mean, it is what it is, but I'll try to calculate the points in here for you guys, but I want to show you guys what I have for dinner. So it's just a burrito. Guys, like I predicted, I ate a good portion of it, but this is enough. The bottom just started to get like, you know, weird. So this was that. I think I'm gonna have an ice cream, oat milk ice cream sandwich, which is 115 calories, and that's gonna be it for tonight.